My name is RomanTsibulsky. Here you can find a tremendous range of equipment for pharmaceuticals production. If you don't have enough time to explore all descriptions or you didn't find the required equipment, the simplest way to find what you need is to get in touch with me by telephone, file your application and explain your needs. I will do my best to find an option that fits you. The site has two versions, Russian and English. However, equipment prices are the same in both versions. The prices in the catalog are displayed without the cost of delivery and customs duties in Russia. To obtain full cost of the chosen equipment, please send your application to me, and I will forward the detailed price to you. When you send your letter to the stated email address, I will be the person to receive it. My assistants only deal with transaction support. I personally discuss your needs with you and help you choose the right equipment. I'm engaged in supplying pharmaceutical equipment from China, India, South Korea and Taiwan to Russia and other countries. Every year I visit pharmaceutical exhibitions where I select the most reliable partners for equipment supplies. Very often my clients wonder why prices for certain equipment items in my catalog and prices for the same equipment they find in China are different. Let me reveal this secret to you. The case is that manufacturers copy the equipment models from each other. However, the quality of this equipment may differ dramatically. It is my policy to cooperate only with reliable suppliers who provide spare parts when necessary and have certain equipment models in stock at any time. Please be aware that I will not be able to supply spare parts for cheap and troubled equipment bought from disreputable suppliers. The best way to avoid problems is to choose a reputable and reliable partner who will ensure smooth supplies of spare parts and consumables. Equipment manufacturers constantly improve their quality level, so before you make your choice, it is worth discussing everything in detail with a reliable supplier. I am online 24/7 and will be happy to answer your questions and give you every possible advice.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.